Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saroj Srivastava, and today I am going to read the rest part of the chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquito. So, let's start chapter. Anemia. What's that? Aarti, I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Students, the anemia means a disease. Rajat, what is that? Aarti, the doctor said that there is a less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. Students, hemoglobin means a red pigment present in blood cell. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. Students, jaggery, amla, and green leafy vegetables are the sources of iron. Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat laughing. So then, you ate iron or what? Aarti silly. This is not the iron used to make this key. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. Now, anemia common in Delhi school. 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in the Municipal Corporation School in Delhi suffer from anemia. Students, Municipal Corporation School means the government school in Delhi. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy level are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. Tell. Students here given two reports of Aarti blood test. First and second. Look carefully and then you can reply these questions. Look at Aarti blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. Students, the minimum required hemoglobin in a person is 12. How much did Aarti hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Aarti hemoglobin went up by 2.5 and it took 2 months and 25 days to rise it up. What does the newspaper report say about the problem caused by anemia? The newspaper reports say about the problem caused by anemia. Anemia affect both the physical and mental health of children. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Children, you can reply yes or no. Any person in your family needed to blood test. What was found out by the blood test? The blood test report what person you can reply here. Have you had a health checkup in your school? What did the doctor tell you? Students, many school has organized health checkup and doctor advised the students to follow many rule and protection of disease. Find out Ask a doctor or elders about the food item which contain iron. Students, jaggery, beetroot, pomegranate, beans, cabbage, etc. vegetables that are and fruit that contain iron. Baby mosquito, Jaskirat. There is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Here is a given poster. See this poster so that how to get prevent from malaria and other disease causes by mosquito. Rajat, the poster says something about larva. What are those? Nancy, they are baby mosquito, but they don't look like mosquito at all. Aarti, where did you see them? Nancy, there was an old pot laying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some teeny thread like grey things swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs which mosquito lay in water. They are called larvae. Students, larva means the active, immature form of an insect. I also heard something about this on the radio. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy, Papa immediately means at once threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water would collect. Jaskirat, Sajia auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problems. Rajat, but flies did not don't bite. Then how do they spread disease? Find out and tell. Students, after reading this chapter, you can tell this question. Have you seen any poster like this put up anywhere? You can see this such type of poster like government hospital and other roadside boundary wall, etc. How do you think puts up such poster or give ad in the newspaper? The government puts such poster and give ad in the newspaper to spread awareness among people about various problems in the society. What are some of the important points given in the poster? Some important points given in the poster: name of disease, spread by mosquito, measure to be taken to prevent growth of mosquito. Why do you think picture of tank, cooler and pits are shown in the poster? The picture of tank, cooler and pits are the places where water can stagnate and would become the favorable site for mosquito breeding and multiplications. Why do you think it talk about putting fish in the tank? It talk about putting fish in the tank because the fish ate larvae of mosquito developing in the water. What will happen when oil is sprayed on the water? When oil is sprayed on the water, its thin layer on water surface prevent oxygen supply to egg and larvae of mosquito due to which they are killed. Find out which diseases are spread by flies and how. The diseases spread by flies are dysentery, cholera, typhoid, etc. Students, mosquito checkup. Students, divide your class in 3 or 4 groups, and each group will go around to check on area in school or your surrounding it, and It must carefully note if water has collected anywhere and mark right where it find stagnant water. You can do this activity and reply this answer.